Transform your oral and overall health with our 30-day online active program. Join our digital membership platform today and embark on a journey to optimal dental and physical wellness. Developed by renowned holistic dentist, Ayurveda therapist, and author, Dr. Annette Jasper. This comprehensive program is designed to empower you with the knowledge and tools to achieve lasting health. Discover the intricate connections between dental health and overall well-being, and learn how to effectively address issues such as periodontitis. Our program includes 33 videos covering essential dental and Ayurvedic knowledge, 22 cooking videos for healthy meal preparation, 6 yoga sessions to promote holistic wellness, 11 guided meditations for mental clarity and relaxation. That's a total of 73 videos, along with accompanying materials such as PDF guides, recipes, shopping lists, and access to our exclusive Facebook group. Invest in your health today for only $337 and take the first step towards a happier, healthier you. Copy your promo link and visit our sales page to enroll now.